Are you guys looking for a beautiful 2-story home with a den downstairs here in Inspirada, Henderson? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because behind me we have the Mike floor plan, which we'll be touring today, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is April 3rd, 2025, and today we're here at the grand opening of Lucere by Lennar here in Inspirada, Henderson. Now, if you're not familiar with where Inspirada is, we are about 25-30 minutes south of the Las Vegas airport and strip. Inspirada is a great master plan community, definitely one of my favorites. I actually live here. The reason why I love it is because you have parks close by, you have great schools. All those parks have like swimming pools, they're heated, and you have barbecue areas as well as basketball courts. But guys, I will have the floor plan on the screen for you. So here they offer 6 different floor plans, okay? All of them are going to be ranging from $634,990 all the way up to $767,990. Now, that largest floor plan that you see, the Greg model, that's going to be the only next gen suite in the community, okay? When you look at the base prices with Lennar, just so you know, the total price isn't actually too far off from the base price, okay? Because Lennar has a really nice standard features. Some of the upgrades that they'll typically do will either be like cabinets, countertops, and flooring, but that's pretty much it. No structural upgrades that you can do. Lennar is a volume builder. They are a spec builder. So by the time that you get into contract, most likely you're probably going to be purchasing a quick move-in home. The best part about buying quick move-in homes is Lennar has some of the best incentives right now. And if you want a good deal, you got to go with the move-in ready homes, guys. But if you're looking to still pick out, let's say like your flooring or cabinet, then you have to go with a lot that will be completed in about maybe like 4 or 5 months. That way you could still have time to pick out your options, okay? Out the door, you're looking at about mid 600s to about 800, okay? As far as the HOA is concerned, it's $138 a month, but that includes so much, guys. So again, you have all the amenities that I listed above, but also this specific community, you have Vision high-speed internet that goes up to 1.2 gigs, okay? Now, if that internet speed isn't fast enough for you, you could actually upgrade, and I mean, then you would have to pay a little bit more, but you could get faster speeds, okay? Now, schools here, for elementary, you have Shirley and Bill Wallen, Del E. Webb for your middle school, and then you have Liberty High School. Now, this community is going to have 250 homes. Guys, they just opened. I think they sold about maybe like 10 to 12 homes, so they still have more room to grow. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the Mike floor plan. Now, this is going to be the smallest floor plan in this community. Now, the Mike floor plan is a 4-bedroom house, 2.5 bath, 2,590 square feet. And the base price as of today is $634,990, guys, but they do have a move-in ready that's $644,389, okay? And then just remember too, if you're looking to get the best deal on a Lennar home, you got to go with the move-in ready homes, guys. Especially my buddy that works with Lennar. He helps me making sure my clients always get the best deal. So definitely reach out to me. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the sales office in there, but that's actually the 2-car garage, okay? So yeah, let's take a look. Paver driveways included, desert landscaping is included. The only thing that's not included is your backyard. You'll have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard once you move into your house. Now, the entrance is going to be towards the side of the house. You'll also have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Now, I know this is the smallest floor plan in this community, but 2590 is not a small house by any means. Okay, So welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, to the right, you'll have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. To the left here, you'll have the stairs that go to the second floor, and you'll have this den, okay, this den space here. So I think this is actually the only model that doesn't have a bedroom downstairs. And if you prefer a den downstairs, then this would be a good route to go. Okay, so nice and open. You got your large slider over there. Okay, so you got the white cabinets. You have your GE appliance package, which is included. The GE microwave, oven, stovetop, dishwasher, refrigerator. Now with the spec homes, guys, the only thing that I don't think they're going to be putting in here, or at least like all of them, is going to be the backsplash. So some might have it, some may not. I know a lot of people are curious. See, the microwave does vent outside of the house. Okay. Cool. So this is the backyard. Yeah, fortunately, it is locked. Okay, here, I'll take you to see the pantry. So this is a walk-in pantry. Plenty of space to store your food. Okay, so you have your thermostat down here. It's going to control the temperature downstairs. Right over here, that's for your doorbell. Okay, you have that device. You could have a security system. This would help, this could control, I think, the temperature, thermostat, your doors, your cameras, and all of that. So you have a nice little den space right here. Okay. And then this is going to be your powder room. So you have your single sink, toilet. Okay. The paint, you're going to have a semi-gloss finish in the wet areas. And then you'll have flat white paint all throughout the house. So this is your coat closet. Okay. Remember, you'll also, one thing that's really nice about Lennar, they include these 5-panel doors, which looks modern, right? A lot of other builders, you have the 2-panel, so 2 big panel doors, and then you'd have to upgrade to something like that if you wanted. Okay. So let's head to the second floor. So you do have a landing step right here. Okay. Cool. So you have this nice big loft. I think this floor plan seems like it has the largest loft. You'll have your 2 bedrooms over here, and then you'll have your primary bedroom down that way. So yeah, let's start over here. So we have bedroom number 1. This is going to be a full-size bed. Okay, you have those 2 small windows and that window to allow for some natural light to come in. Again, you can switch that out for a ceiling fan. Here's your closet. All right, here's a community here in Inspirada, surrounded by mountains, which is really nice. Look, the past few days it's been raining pretty tough, and look at that. Looks like it might rain some more. Right, so right there, you're gonna have your transfer grill, helps regulate the airflow in the house. You're gonna have that on all the bedrooms except for the primary bedroom. You have a jumper duct, which pretty much does the same thing, except there's more sound privacy. Okay, so this is the other bedroom. Okay. Twin bed. Dang, I feel like I haven't seen a twin size bed in a long time. Okay, so you got your closet here. Yeah, I'm really digging this as soon as you walk in, this is very open right here. So really nice size loft. Here you're gonna have your other bedroom. Okay, full size bed. Plenty of room, plenty of space. Okay, also have your closet over there. These doors are 6x8 doors as well. This is going to be your full bath. Okay, you have your single sink, your toilet, your shower tub combo. Right over here, linen closet. Nice. It's a cute little thin door. Okay. So this is gonna be your primary bedroom, but we'll head over here. This is gonna be your laundry room. They always put the laundry rooms right next to the primary bedroom, so it's nice and convenient. Smart panel box right here. You can set up your internet router and your modem. Again, this community comes included with Fish and X. So free internet up to 1.2 gigs. Yeah, that's a good deal. Most communities do not come with internet. Maybe some townhome communities, but yeah, a couple in our communities actually have internet included. So, I mean, if you think about it, I think HOA was over $130 here. But how much do buyers usually spend on internet, right? Like 80 to 100 bucks. So definitely a savings. And you have all the amenities in Inspirada, right? The parks, the trails. You have pickleball close by. I know for some of you, your eyes just lit up there when I said pickleball. Also swimming pools. So you got your toilet here. Wow, this is a nice size walk-in closet. Cool, so you have your dual sinks, your separate tub, your walk-in shower. Okay. This is a nice floor plan, I like this. Cool. I know it's tough to see right now, but you could actually see the strip. But no, it looks closer in person, but they don't promise strip views. I'm sure when these houses are built, it's gonna be harder to see. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up for this floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions regarding incentives, if you're looking for the best deal on Lennar homes, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I know I work with a great Lennar agent, and he definitely helps me on making sure that my clients get the best deal. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.